Ever followed a story that seemed to wander, twist, and take unexpected turns before reaching the point? That feeling perfectly captures today's word, meandering. It's a descriptive word that brings movement, pace, and personality into English, and once you understand it, you'll notice it everywhere. Meandering means moving or going in a slow, winding, indirect way instead of straight toward a goal. It can describe paths, rivers, conversations, stories, or even thoughts. When something meanders, it takes its time and changes direction often. The pronunciation is meandering. The word meandering is most commonly used as an adjective, but it also comes from the verb meander, meaning to wander without a clear direction. Imagine a river flowing gently through the countryside. It doesn't rush straight ahead. It curves, bends, and loops. That river is meandering. Now think about a long conversation where the speaker jumps from topic to topic without getting to the point. That conversation is also meandering. Common synonyms of meandering include winding, wandering, rambling, indirect, and twisting. For example, a winding road or a rambling speech. Antonyms, or opposite words, include direct, straight, focused, and purposeful. A direct answer does not meander. Here are a few real-life examples. We took a meandering walk through the old town, enjoying every street. His explanation was meandering, but eventually he reached the main idea. The river meanders through fields and forests before reaching the sea. Meandering is not always negative. Sometimes, it suggests relaxation, beauty, or exploration. A meandering journey can be enjoyable, and a meandering story can feel natural and human. Understanding words like meandering helps you express movement, mood, and style more clearly in English. Keep learning with Thesaurus Thrive.